Today we're making the Taste of Japan and the Spicy Boy. In a rare moment of semi-quietness next to the freeway, we're going to record today's video. So first up, we got, for our Spicy Boy, we're going to put down our habanero peppers and some of our onions here. And then the rest of these onions, they're going to start to cook over here. And we're going to pour some homemade teriyaki sauce on top of that. Spoke too soon. Road's getting busy again. So with that, we also, for our spicy dog, or spicy boy, we got a spicy dog. For our Taste of Japan, we've got just our standard hot dog that we use for all of our dogs, and the hot dogs for everyone else. We're going to let everything cook for just a few minutes, and we'll be right back. For the Taste of Japan hot dog, we're going to cook its onions with this homemade teriyaki sauce. Just like that. It's pretty good. We're just going to let those cook for a few more minutes, and then we're going to get ready to pull everything off. We're going to start by putting together our Taste of Japan. So first up, we have our lightly toasted bun on here. We're going to start with some kewpie mayo. That's a bit more than you should put on, but it's okay. And then our dog. We're going to then put on our teriyaki cooked onions, just like that. Sprinkle it up with some green onions, and lastly, we're going to cut ourselves some seaweed strips. Not lastly, there's one more thing I actually want to do. So just try to sprinkle them on so they look kind of cute. And then we're going to be using these bonito flakes. I love bonito flakes. All right. Just want to put just a couple. Whoa, that was a lot more than a couple almost. There you go. That is going to be our Taste of Japan. Now, next up is our Spicy Boy. We're going to take the spicy dog here. Now what I like to do on these big fat ones is I like to just give a little cut along the way. I find that that helps me avoid any splattering of hot liquid on my face. So with that, we're going to take our onions and habanero peppers. Then you take your choice of hot sauce. I'm using Lost in the Sauce jalapeno pineapple. Now, a little caveat that I want to put here is that it's important to remember this is called the Spicy Boy, not the Spicy Man, not the Spicy King. Those hot dogs are coming later. The Spicy Boy is just one step above your average spicy dog. So we're just doing a little bit different that way. And then to top it all off, what we're going to do here is take a pepperoni. You want a nice big one, and that guy's going to sit right on top like that. And that is our Spicy Boy. First up, we're going to be trying our Taste of Japan. So with this dog, there are a lot of really strong flavors going on here. Bonito flakes have great flavoring. The kewpie mayo, of course, a little bit of sweeter mayo taste. Seaweed is always really yummy. You really get that teriyaki sauce. It's cooked right into the onions. Great dog. I think I want to give it a 5. Like I said, I love a strong, bold flavored dog, and this is a strong, bold flavored dog. I'm a big fan of this. It's got the right amount of moisture in there. There's no crunch factor on this one, notably so. But I think I'm pretty happy that there's not a crunch factor because all those flavors just mix so well. So here's a 5, loving it. Now, for our spicy dog, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a bite of this pepperoni, and then just let the juice and the seeds come out right on top of that dog, just to give it that one final extra kick. We're gonna take a nice good bite. We wanna try and make sure you get all the good stuff in there. That's a spicy boy. Woo. I don't know how I'm going to do the spicy king. Woo. That's a great dog. I'm sweating. Come on. Okay. That's spicy. If you can tell from the complexion of my skin, I don't handle spice as well as I would like to. Lifelong endeavor of boosting my spice tolerance, but dang. Spiciness going on there. It's a great dog. It is really good. I think yeah, I don't know how to rank it because I can't. My tongue's on fire, so I can't really taste the flavorings going on here. I want to give it like a 3 or a 4. That's what we're gonna rank it as, a 3 or a 4. So, that's it. We're gonna cut it. We're good.